Alright, Christmas 2008. Somebody has already started opening the presents while Dad's trying to get the fire going.
This one's yours. Sean, that was yours.
Hey, 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 hey.
Alright, here we go, Sean.
Snip, snip. Snip.
Right there?
No. That's easy.
Oh. Here, let me do that. What I do is I open it up like that. Let's go. And then you can go like on the sides here. Okay, there you go.
No, this side.
Just pop it open. Thank you.
Okay, after these gifts, I think we should go through the stockings.
Awesome.
Sean.
What'd you get there, Dylan? A jigsaw? And what else did you get? What was that in that plastic bag?
I don't know. A worker book.
Oh, awesome. For projects. I think that's it. What did you get, Sean?
I know it.
Sean, show me what you got.
Oh, look.
Oh, I had that in my room.
It's a puzzle.
Here you go, Sean. Yeah.
Sean? Sean. Wanna try it? Wanna try your whistle?
Alfred Hitchcock.
Okay, put it between your lips. Now blow.
100 crowns, 24.
Blow. Blow. Go. No, don't stick it in your nose.
Sean, give me a blow. Look here, go. Think Louis Armstrong.
Like you blow bubbles in the...
Sasquatch.
Like you blow bubbles in the water. Blow. Yeah, just like that. Now do it through the whistle.
I think he's doing Zamfir.
Sean, is that little finger puppet? Oh, good. Now I won't go after mine.
Is that a little raccoon?
It's like a little kitty cat. Hello, kitty.
Dylan, don't walk in front of the camera.
Hello, kitty.
Hold on.
I know this is
Shawnee, let me see. Show the camera.
Show your kitty to the camera.
Show your kitty. Go up and go. Doo, 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 doo.
Sean, it's a finger puppet. You have it on your chin puppet.
You manipulate the top so that you can make him walk and move his arms and legs separately, I think. Right?
He's sitting down. Whoa, now he's bouncing. He's doing some good old-fashioned bouncing.
Doing the splits, and now he's doing some old-fashioned bouncing.
And then, let's see.
Look here, Dylan. Say Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Go get it.
What'd you get? Go get it. And just steps all over the gifts.
Let's see.
He
It's his
stepped
favorite
on
gift.
both of my gifts. Dad, he stepped on both of my gifts.
You want me to wash it?
Yeah, let's go wash it.
All right, Shawnee, come on. Dylan, wait it.